In today's video, we look at African countries that have achieved great strides in the automobile industry. African countries that manufacture cars. Number 1 on the list is South Africa. In South Africa is a car manufacturing company known as Birkin Cars Limited. Birkin Cars was founded in the year 1982. Its founder is John Watson. The first car manufactured by Birkin was inspired by the classic Lotus 7. It is also responsible for the SS3 Street Series and CS3 Clubman Series. The company has expanded over the years and has its cars sold around the world through dealers. At number 2 is Ghana. Kantanka Automobile Company is a Ghanaian company established in 1994 by Kojo Sefo Kantanka. The company produced its first car, an SUV, in 2006. The company is responsible for Kantanka cars ranging from saloon cars, four-wheel drives and SUVs. Kantanka cars are driven by some Ghanaians and other Africans. The company hopes to start producing electric cars soon. At number 3 is Uganda. Kiram Motors Corporation is a Ugandan state enterprise. It was founded in 2014 mainly to create jobs and wealth. It was begun by the Faculty of Technology in the University of Makerere. Kiram Motors Corporation has made major achievements in the automobile industry. It developed Africa's first electric vehicle in 2011, Africa's first hybrid vehicle in 2014 and Africa's first solar electric bus in 2016. Hybrid here means a vehicle that combines two different forms of power. For example, an electric motor and a petrol engine. At number 5 is Innoson Motors from Nigeria. Innoson was established in 2007 by Innocent Chukwuemeka. Innoson produces SUVs, pickup cars and buses. It is responsible for models like Innoson G5, Innoson Fox, and Innoson Umu. Majority of the materials used by Innoson are locally produced. Their cars are being driven by people in some West African countries. Next is Lariki from Morocco. Lariki Automobiles is responsible for manufacturing sports cars. It was established in 1999 by Abdeslam Lariki. The first model, Lariki Fulgura, was launched in 2002, followed by other models like the Borak and Epitome. The Epitome was one of the most expensive cars in the world in 2015. The cars are mostly custom-built for customers. At number 6 is Mobius Motors from Kenya. Mobius Motors was founded in 2010 by Joel Jackson. They are focused on manufacturing low-cost vehicles for the African market. They are responsible for models like Mobius, Mobius 1 and Mobius 2. The cars are SUVs. At number 7 and the last car on the list is the Wally Scar from Tunisia. Wally Scar was founded in 2006 by Zaid Guiga. It is said to produce about 600 units annually. Wally Scar is popularly known for its 4x4 vehicles. The cars are available to African consumers and some countries in the Middle East. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more eye-opening videos.